What's your take on virtual teaching? You know, like actual virtual teaching for the sake of achieving some goal.
I think I definitely think that that's where we're headed, whether in a hybrid model or full-time virtual teaching. But I think it opens the doors to students for a lot more possibilities in terms of guest speakers and presentations and things like that. Um, when I first started teaching, I would do Skype in the classroom activities and have various specialists come in from different things. And I think we sort of forgot about that when Skype became old news and people started using Twitter and things like that. Being virtual last year has opened those possibilities to me again, and that I'm not limited to the people who are here in my city. I can reach out to experts wherever to provide activities for my students and professional development for me too. I can take things from all over the world. It doesn't have to be within driving distance kind of thing. So I think it opens a lot of doors for everyone, and there's lots of opportunities and possibilities, and we just have to embrace it and figure out how to make it work the best for us. I think my biggest advice is to just try it and see what happens. I think people who are offering workshops like yourself and other museums and things that are doing virtual field trips, they're the experts. So it doesn't matter if you don't know what you're doing, they'll hold your hand and walk you through it. And I think it's a great skill to have in your back pocket, given what's going on in the world and what may happen in the future. If you have some skills with virtual teaching, I think that's going to make you a lot better as a teacher, and being able to connect with your students if you do end up teaching virtually. I think it's important that we remember that school isn't just about the curriculum that we cover, that we do lots of other things too, extracurriculars, field trips, special events, things like that. And whether it's a hybrid model or completely online, we need to find a way to incorporate some of that stuff into students' days as well, because that's a big part of their education and of their social development.